Stage fright is real and almost every performer experiences it, but it doesn't have to control you. You can learn to turn that nervous energy into focus, connection, and power. Yes, it sounds easy and is sometimes difficult, but don't underestimate the power of your brain. The first step to overcoming fear is acceptance. You're human. Your body reacts, heart races, hands sweat. It's for everybody the same. It's not weakness, it's energy. Learn to ride the wave, not resist it. Confidence comes from knowing you've done the work. Practice performing. Record yourself. Simulate pressure as best as you can. First step for simulating the pressure would be to analyze what makes you stressed and try to create that situation for your practice runs. The better prepared you are, the easier it is to stay calm when it counts. Always overdo, meaning practice quicker and slower than you would play it regularly. Then mentally accept that it will feel different on stage, meaning it can feel like you're playing super slow, which in reality you don't, or the other way around. Since you prepared for these cases, you can learn to deal with the stress better by being confident with however it feels technically. Before you play, take 3 deep breaths. Breathe slowly into your belly, not just your chest. This slows your heart rate, grounds your body, and clears your mind. It's a reset button. Also keep in mind that breathing before phrases and in musically important places is of utmost importance and also helps regulating the stress if done with care. Fear often comes from thinking about yourself too much. How do I sound? Will I mess up? Instead, focus on the music, focus on the story of the piece. As for the audience, what do you want to say through your playing? Give instead of proving. Only if your musical meaning is strong within your own body and soul, you can project it to the audience. Stage fright doesn't mean you're not ready. It means you care. Use it. Channel it. Live and love the music. And remember, the stage is not your enemy. If prepared well, it can give you more time and better focus to perform at your best. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. Thank you and have an awesome day.